Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can cancel a scheduled payment on Commonwealth Bank. So if you have to cancel a scheduled payment on Commonwealth Bank, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go to login into your Commonwealth Bank account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And from the home page itself, you should be able to see multiple tabs. So from there, go ahead and select transfer and pay. When you select transfer and pay under it or on the other page, you'll be able to find this as scheduled payment. Go ahead and select that. In order to make changes or cancel, then you could go ahead and select the option that says, so there you'll be able to find an option as update next to your scheduled payment. You'll have to go ahead and press on it. As you do that, multiple options appear, so accordingly go ahead and press on it. And next page, once again, there will be some sort of review and statement page. You need to go through it and scroll down to the bottom and make sure to confirm it. And when you've done that, when you've confirmed the agreement, then you'll have successfully canceled a scheduled payment on your Commonwealth Bank. So that's how you can cancel a scheduled payment on your Commonwealth Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.